Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss any of my wig related content. Today I'm bringing you a wig review for pinkypromise.com. We're going to take a look at another style that's a new addition to the Wille Hair Power collection. This is Scala and the color on this one is Sandy Blonde Rooted. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at this cute new style, Wille Scala. So Scala is another one from their Hair Power collection for 2023, and these are heat-friendly fibers on this one again. So, short, easy to maintain heat-friendly fibers, not going to be rubbing on very much, maybe a high-collared coat or if you have a scarf around your neck or something, but not going to get as much friction, so easier to maintain. If you do need to treat the ends on this, eventually you will with your heat, you can just treat these very ends, and most of them are pretty straight, but you can just use a curling iron if you like. This one has a little curl in it. Curl it around the curling iron, hold it and let it cool down, and then let it go, and you'll get a little curl back there again. So of course you could straighten this. You could add more curl if you wanted to, because these are the high heat friendly fibers. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So really cute, so stylish. Okay, so she has an extended lace front and a left mono part with a really nice closed wefted cap that I'll show you in a minute. So lace front is going to go from here to here, true temple to temple coverage. I love an extended lace front. The knots look really nice. Wille, I think they do a really nice job on their lace fronts. Particularly I'm noticing with these heat-friendly fiber wigs, their lace fronts are just getting better and better, so very happy with that. So like I said, this one is a left mono part, and the part is really nice. It goes to the crown, so very natural looking. Show you the ear tabs. I've got great coverage. This is fitting true to Wille on me, which fits my head perfectly, which I always love. So I am 11 ear to ear. I am a 21-inch circumference around. I am 13 forehead to nape, and this wig is fitting me perfectly. I have not had to bring in the adjusters. The ear tabs are in the right place. It doesn't feel like it's, it just feels nice and snug to my head. This is a closed wefted cap, so it is not going to have as much stretch. So I would say this one is going to be better for petite, average, maybe slightly above average, but you're just not going to get the stretch that you would get in a wefted cap. However, I think that this cap construction is an excellent choice for this cap, because sometimes with these layered, shorter layered shorter wigs like this, where the layers are, sitting on top of each other, you can see you've got, a shorter layer up here. Sometimes with these, especially with these blondes, you can actually see the wefts in a wefted cap. So I think this is an excellent choice to do a closed wefted cap, because it really has the appearance of like a hand-tied cap, underneath. So looks really, really good. So excellent cap construction on this one for the style, I believe. Okay, so measurement wise, we have 7 inches here in the front. We have 9 inches here at the crown. We have 6.5 inch sides, and we have a 3.5 inch nape. So short nape. Weight-wise, she's coming in at 3 ounces, so very, very light, airy, like I said, very comfortable cap. So I will pop her off, and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, I'll show you that part. So this is what I'm talking about. It goes all the way to the crown. Really, really nice. Just looks excellent. Okay, so there's some closed wefting, but they put some lace on top there to make that nice and soft up there. Then we have your left mono part. You can see it goes clear to the crown, which I love that feature. Then you have your lace front here, which is wide right here, which allows you to, to change up your part there too. If you wanted to go more towards center, you could do that towards the front. With the way these layers are, you can just kind of throw the layers around and not even totally use a part if you don't want to. They look cute like that. So here's your extended lace front. Extends way down onto that ear tab, which I just love. That gives you that true, you know, temple to temple, such a realistic lace front. I just love that. So we have soft felt on the ear tabs. This is where you're going to see your closed wefting, a soft felt extended nape with Velcro adjusters. So I'll show you a little stretch, but not as stretchy as a wefted cap, you know, open wefted cap. So just not quite as stretchy as an open wefted cap. There is some stretch in the circumference, but again, you know, this is going to be fit on the smaller side for sure. Okay, let's take a look at this color. This is one of my favorites by Ellen Villa. This is Sandy Blonde Rooted. Color code wise, this is a 16, a 22, and a 25. They don't typically give a root color, so they just describe it as a dark root. So really, really pretty. Just love the dimension. I love the rooting going through it. It's just a really great color. Okay, so, and works great for me with my brunette eyebrows, you know, and the rooting and the fact that the rooting shows throughout the piece. This is a good blonde for those of you who normally wear brunettes. So, okay, so description wise for Sandy Blonde Rooted, we have a medium blonde, a light neutral blonde, and a lightest golden blonde blend, and dark roots. So, they describe it as a blonde, but you definitely can see, you know, I think it has sort of, you know, kind of a highlighted appearance to me, especially with that lightest blonde going through there. You can see that more gold blonde here by the face. Really pretty. So there's the rooting. And then anywhere you separate the hair, of course, you're going to see your rooting. You're going to see it as you get down around your ear tabs. Sorry, it's got a few little flyaways here. They did put, you can see it, you know, a little bit behind those light fibers that they put at the lace front as well. So, but it's just going to be present, you know, the root color definitely shows with the way that with this wave pattern, the way this hair moves and everything. So, you know, that hair is going to move around in the wind and, you know, just with moving your head and stuff, and that root color is going to show through. So, okay, let's take it outside and we'll look at it outdoors. Here we are outside with Sandy Blonde Rooted. So you'll notice that the rooting doesn't look as dark when we come out in this outdoor light. You can see the dimension in the blondes. There's the lace front. So I'm just walking towards the sun here. It's a little bit closer to the sun. It's partly cloudy. There's actually a lot of clouds, so now the sun's kind of gone away, but this is perfect light to see the dimension in the colors, see the root. Okay, so as you can see, she is ear tuckable, but what I would do if you want to wear her tucked behind the ears is just smooth her down, you know. Now with wind and being outside, she may fluff back up on you, but initially I would just try to smooth her down like that. So, but I like to do that so you can see the glasses, of course. The glasses are super easy. She's low density. There's no permatease that I'm feeling, so, you know, very natural. You can put them up on the head, no problem, you know. The hair, the wig, nothing is pushing against the glasses. So, and it's very easy to tuck behind the ears as well. Very natural. So really, really nice. You could also just, you know, stick your glasses in if you want to, your readers, your sunglasses. So let's tuck behind the ears and do a headband. Now, if you want to do a headband like this, you can get that bang layer to stay in there. What was that? 7-inch layer. So I think that would stay back behind there. So, you know, if you just needed to have the hair out of your face, looking down, whatever, you could do that. But if you want to, you could also pull that cute wave out. And how cute is that? That just looks really cute. I like it. That's how I would prefer to wear it. But you know, if you just need the hair out of your face, you could certainly do it the other way. So really cute. And then of course you could just stick the headband in stick like a, you know, Julie tone one if you wanted to, something cute like that, just to dress it up, just to be cute. She does not have the length on the sides for you to pull it all the way back in a clip, but you could certainly do something cute with a bobby pin. What I like to do when I do this is kind of twist the hair and then put, you know, maybe leave a little, one little strand out, put a little clip right there, and that would be really cute. You could do just one side or you could do both. That would look really, really cute. And then of course with this cute lace, you know, or cute, nice lace front, you can pull back, you know, pull the hair back, twist it and pull it back if you want to, or whatever, you know, just to wear it off the face too. Really sweet. This is just such a cute style. I'm really, really happy with it. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all. There will be purchase information in the description box down below this video. I thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.